One of the main features of this grass trimmer is the adjustable length of the metal rod. You can see here, we have a lock sign. When turn right, it's open, and turn left, it's locked. You can adjust the handle here and then lock it. Okay, very easy, finished. So the longest length of this metal rod is around 48 centimeters, and the whole length of the entire grass trimmer is around 1.3 meters. This INGCO lithium grass trimmer comes with a double safety switch feature. Before you use, you can see here, you should press this button first. And then you should press this switch to start the machine. Only press these two buttons together, you can work. And this can also prevent the accidental risks by the disoperation caused by any user. Pretty good design. The trimmer head can be rotated 180 degrees. You can see here there is a push button. Press this button and then you can adjust the trimmer head 180 degrees. Yes. And after doing this operation, the machine can be converted from a trimmer to an aider, can meet your different requirements. So many good functions of this INGCO lithium grass trimmer, but how it really performs? Now let's test it together. Come on. Oh, we're just back from the work. Oh, it's really hot outside. Ooh. Okay, we already done the test of this grass trimmer, and it's time to make a conclusion. You can see that if it is used in a small area, conventional grass trimming, the effect of this product is very good. At the same time, the rubber-coated handle is also very comfortable to use. All the product is very easy to operate, and the quality of the straw rope is also really good. The machine adopts the automatic payoff function, which is realized by quickly pressing the switch to turn off the machine without hitting the grass head. Oh, really amazing design. So if you want such high quality products, you can purchase as the videos below. We already sent the link. And if you feel this lithium battery grass trimmer cannot meet your needs, there is also no problem, because INGCO has a full range of lithium battery garden tools, such as more powerful lawn mowers and so on. There is always one that can meet your needs. What I've said is true. Okay, all my dear friends, if you are interested in my video, you can follow our homepage and give David a like. I will be posting more videos later to share the find of tools with you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. See you. Bye bye.